Hello, welcome back to Sushi Live Noding. In this episode, I'm going to share this Note 3 with you. It's basically the Android robot mascot, and this is kind of like a work in progress. So the Note 3 looks something like this. I think there's around 30 nodes or less. If I break this down, so basically every part should be kind of more or less parametrics. They should be related somehow or connected together so I can make this robot shorter or things like that. Currently, it's not perfect as you already you can tell if I actually I break this link, and then you can see this is basically just like a cylinder, but I can change the height, but the radius top and radius bottom, they're not connected. I mean, they're not totally linked to the leg or to the arm. I can make that a little bit better. Currently, this is just cylinder and the sphere. The sphere would be nicer if the sphere is actually like hemisphere and I can cut it around here. Yeah, but let's have a look. At least we can do that. Change the radius for the body, and I can change the resolutions for the head and the body. That's pretty basic there. What's interesting, however, it's with this cylinder, what I did, I think I actually selected the top part of the polygon face. As you can see here, I'm selecting item index -1, and at the bottom I'm selecting index item -2. That's actually for the leg. Let's go have a look. So that's by selecting the top part of the cylinder, I can place this sphere, of course, and moving on, I'm using line here. The line is actually where I place, I'm using line and place it on top of the cylinder and kind of move it down a little bit. So this is going to be the placement for the arm for this Android robot. Okay, so that's pretty interesting, I guess. They're moving on. This is how I actually place the arm. This is for, I think, the radius for the arm. The arm itself is actually based on this rounded box, so I can extend the arm. So this one I'm using rounded box because it's kind of handy, but you can use any other. Actually, cylinder and sphere would be better for the arm as well, and should be like for the top and bottom. But this is handy. We got it in Sverchok, so we can use it. So that's basically the arm, and then we have the leg part. The leg part is also rounded box. I think there you go. That's the leg. For the leg, can kind of offset the leg like that. So the leg is actually, it's not like the arm. It's more like this. And if you make it like this, you can print it out, and this object will actually stand. I didn't make the eyes or the antenna yet, but I might add that a little bit later. So this is, I think, if you want to offset the leg or make it, yeah, the leg can be like that, but I think for Android character, the leg is actually more like this, maybe. I don't know. I gotta check on that. So yeah, that's pretty much it. Actually, if if I ever make changes to this robot, especially the leg part, it should actually go with it, because currently the way it's being set up, the body, the arm, and the legs is dependent on the top and the bottom part of this cylinder. I think I could actually rotate it. I'm not quite sure. Maybe I can try. So if I make that link and then try rotating it, okay, so rotate, maybe not gonna work 100%, but maybe move will work. So you can see the move as I move the objects, and maybe place the character on the grid. The bottom part actually move with it. We can still change the height. So now we have a short robot. So I think this setup can be improved, definitely. So this is the setup. I'll give this for you to have a look. Maybe you want to make changes, add the antenna, make the arms so the arms can kind of rotate properly in the correct pivot. Maybe make it so that this Android robot, okay, maybe can be like a kind of shape that's more like a girl, right? Or maybe make it a little bit taller, like a cone. So it's kind of interesting. I think Google and Android mobile is really big now, and I think Google is moving on to making like their Google Pixel, whatever, but Android OS, it's kind of like a legacy thing. I don't know, but the mascot, the Android mascot in 3D is, I think, kind of interesting, and it's really simple. It's something that you can kind of imagine it yourself and then make, redesign and make some changes. It's very procedural. That's why I choose it for this live noding. So there you go. That's Android mascot, work in progress. And it's something you can continue to tweak. I can try to make it a little bit better. Just add the antenna and the eye. So there you go. That's a quick demo of this node setup. Hopefully you find this useful. Let me know what you think, and I'll see you next time. Thank you. Bye.